Actually, wait a minute.
Yes.
Hang on. Let's just go over here. I'm gonna take this with me. All right, here's what we're gonna show you next. I love being able to go all around this beautiful outdoor space.
The set is gorgeous, and the team does amazing work here.
So thank you to Beth and her team. This has been so popular. It is from Garden Reflections. It's the faux spider plant. So this can go indoors or outdoors, and for under $40, just $39 on Easy Pay, $13, you now have something that can hang or go in a planter anywhere. You know, I'm thinking of places like maybe basements or bathrooms or offices that don't get a lot of light.
That's exactly where mine is, Sandra.
Oh, okay.
We have this large bathroom, and we have a hook up at the top of the shower. And so it's over to the side of the shower. It looks absolutely stunning, and you don't have to worry about, if it's a cloudy day, you don't have to worry about the light coming in. Now, this is absolutely gorgeous. 32 inches in height, and then take a look at this cocoa liner at the base. This is 10 inches in diameter, but look at the realism there. And that's what we really love about Garden Reflections. Now, you did say this is indoor and outdoor safe. This is fade resistant, it is rust resistant, and this will withstand all of the elements year after year and look great time and time again.
How pretty. You know what, like actually I might get a couple of these. I'm thinking if you have a front porch, maybe you hang a couple of these from the front porch, and then, you know, you can still put real flowers and plants underneath or something, but the hanging baskets for me are always the most troubling because you have to water them, then dirt comes through or they dry out.
They make a mess.
This is so easy. Also so nice for anyone who, maybe I'm thinking someone maybe like in an assisted living situation who loves plants but can't really take care of them anymore.
Maintenance
This
free.
looks identical to a growing spider plant, like a healthy growing spider plant. Look at all those babies.
Look at the movement down here and the little babies that are kind of cascading throughout. It's absolutely stunning. Now, Sandra, you have yours on the hook, but I also think it's fantastic that these hooks are removable on each side. So if you want to remove that metal hook there and put this in a planter like this, look at how gorgeous that looks. So they're so versatile.
Actually, I love the idea of doing, this is coming up, this is in our illuminated plant stand. I love the idea of getting 2 of these and 2 of these spider plants. I love the idea of going out on my back deck and seeing this.
Yes.
Like in the corner of the deck, having this, it would be so pretty. I'm a big fan of faux plants, and you know, this is from someone who plants a lot of plants. I grow a lot of plants indoors, but for me, our faux plants with Garden Reflections are really akin to Diamonique. I wear natural diamonds, but I also wear Diamonique. And guess what?
The same.
When you mix them, nobody can tell the difference, right?
That's
so that's how I feel about faux plants. I love growing. Well, for instance, okay, take a look. This is a real plant. Here's real sun patience. So you can grow your real sun patience. These are all Cottage Farms, by the way. And then you hang your faux maybe above it. Who's going to come up and even know that's a faux plant?
You would never guess.
Because these are all real.
Never. It looks so real.
Mix them.
And mix them, intersperse them in your garden area, and it just adds just something really special.
Yeah. Okay, just so you know, lots of people are picking up more than one. I do think that's smart. 3 easy payments of $13. I know when we had our meeting about this show yesterday, our whole Garden Reflections team is absolutely in love with this. There are people on the call saying, like, oh, I'm going to order that. I forgot to order that.
They were. We were on this meeting, and everyone was just talking about how much they loved this faux plant because it does look so realistic.
It is a great price point, under $40. And whether you mix it with real plants, like real growing plants, or you just put it in a room by itself, no one will ever think twice. They'll just assume it's real and that you've got a beautiful, healthy plant.
Yeah, 32 inches in height. That is not a small piece, but the perfect size, especially to flank your doors.
Okay, I love it in the plant stand so much.
Isn't that gorgeous?
It's awesome.
Oh, I'm so excited for garden season.
$39. Okay, here's how we started the show. 800